Ke bakithi bathe kudinwa amadlozi-ke laphana-ke kwaMoroka njengoba ingane-ke iney'nkinga ey'ngaka nje. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 12th to the 16th of May 2025 on Monday. Spureful terrible for not having any answers. Pele, a surprise visitor, enjoys toying with him. Things get ugly between two old friends on Tuesday. Lulu smells a rat. Tension mounts between father and daughter. Kia gets her answers, but it's the last thing she wants to hear on Wednesday. It's Melobuhla's turn to smell a rat. Juju makes a surprise move. What is he playing at? Why are the twins so reluctant to contact the Mulois on Thursday? Pele confronted an agent in Mbega about Lucy. Babu Lekone unwittingly let the cat out of the bag. Spay is slowly but surely being reeled in on Friday. Kia gets an icy reception at the Muloi's house. Wumpo see who this or his landlady's hot date is. Figure put Jack in his place. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.